Hey everyone, you're welcome back. Okay, so if you're joining us for the very first time, you are welcome. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you a remedy that would replace your lipstick. Like as you're seeing me right now, I'm not wearing lipstick, just on an oil that I'm going to be showing you in the video equally. Okay, so I'm actually going to be showing you how to scrub out the dead cells on your lip, scrub out the dead skin on your lip, and have your lip looking plump, healthy, kissable, and really beautiful. Okay, so if you want to know what the ingredients is, do continue watching and give me a favor of subscribing, share, thumbs up, and comments. Now let me take you right into the video. Okay, so we're gonna be needing beetroot. Now beetroot is actually a very great ingredient that helps so much to leave your lip looking pink and plump, and this is how we're gonna do it, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be cutting it, and then we're gonna be peeling it. Grate it. Okay, now for this particular one you have to grate it, yeah, so that we'll have some particles to work with. And then we're going to be making use of sugar. Now, because of the smaller granular particles in sugar, it helps to scrub out dead skin cells. So it will help to scrub out the dead skin cells on the lip. Mixing it with this beetroot would make this treatment work really well. And this is actually going to be a scrub. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. We're going to mix it and make sure that it actually mixed together. Okay, and the sugar particles is not going to be totally dissolved. We're going to still have some particles to enable us to scrub out the lip. Yeah, so after successfully mixing it well like this, I'm not going to be mixing no more because I don't need it to be dissolved. Yeah. Okay, so I'm going to keep that aside. And then also we're going to be making use of shea butter. Now shea butter is a great oil that works so well in moisturizing the skin. It helps the skin to glow, and it makes the lip super duper plump when used on the lip. Yeah, so what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be scraping a little quantity because we'll be needing this oil on the lip. Yeah, so we don't actually need too much of it. Yeah, and we'd have to make sure it is soft, not necessarily dissolved, but let it be mixed together because there's some shea butter that contains lumps in it. Yeah, so the next ingredient, which is very important, is also vitamin C. Vitamin C is a great remedy that helps the skin to really plump, and it makes the skin brighter. So using vitamin C on the skin would help to even out and make the lip really pink. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to crush after successfully crushing this, then we'll have to turn that into the shea butter. And then we'll give it a stir. and mix the shea butter plus the vitamin C together. Okay guys, so I'm also going to be putting in almond oil, and almond oil is a great oil that helps to boost your skin vitamin C, and it makes the lip plump and also pink. So putting almond oil in this is actually going to make it really friendly to be applied. Okay guys, so this is it. What I'm going to do now is equally create the beetroot, which I've actually already peeled. So we're going to be putting it into this bowl, and we're actually not going to be needing too much of the beetroot. Now this is how we're going to do it. Yeah, we're going to put in just a little bit of water, just a little, yeah, and then stir the beetroot. Now the next thing we're going to do is to sieve out the juice of this beetroot into alright, so just a little water, I hope you can see that, and then we'll try to mix everything up. Okay, so we're equally going to be needing vitamin E oil, or you can actually use vitamin E capsule if you have one. Yeah, now what we're going to do is to drop a little quantity of vitamin E oil into this, and we'll be needing a little more juice of the beetroot, okay, so that it can make this lotion water based. Now what we'll do now is to mix it and mix it and mix it really well. Okay guys, so we have our water based oil to moisturize our lip and have that pink lip, guys. So this is how it looks like. This is the beetroot scrub, and this is the beetroot and shea butter oil. Yeah, so we're going to be using this too. Now let me take you right into my bathroom to show you how I'm gonna be using this. Yeah, okay, so this is the scrub. Yeah, so you use this, scrub your lip with it. Oh my god, this is actually like a lipstick even. So after applying it, you have to then scrub. Oh my god, it's actually gonna make your lips so soft. After you've scrubbed, then you wash. I'll go wash and I'll be right back. So look at how my lips is. So what I'm gonna be doing now is that I'm gonna be using the oil base, or just moisturize my lip basically, and this is actually gonna be my weekly moisturizer. At most throughout this month I'm gonna be using this because it's enough to go around, and it's making my lips so beautiful. Look at that. It makes my lips so sumptuously kissable, and So beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so let's be serious. Okay guys, so you can see how it is. Yeah, it's actually you can, you should know how my lip was before, you know, compared to now. I've actually been scrubbing a whole freaking lot, and this is actually really good, like right now. Yeah guys, so that's it. You have to first of all scrub out the dead skin cells and leave your lip looking really pink already, and then the second step, you moisturize it and let it stay healthy, let it stay shiny, and let it stay glowing, like beautiful, okay, and really soft. Okay, so that is it guys. If you do enjoy watching this video, please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to my channel, and share the video. I will see you again. Bye guys, and stay beautiful, and mwah.